Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contacts into Salesforce using Zapier. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting zapier.com. Next, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger section, search for the app you are transferring contacts from, such as Google Contacts or another CRM. Select the appropriate app and then choose the trigger event, like New Contact. After that, click on Continue. Now, connect your account by clicking Sign Into your app name. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your contacts. Once connected, click Continue. Test the trigger by pulling in sample data from your contacts. Make sure the test data appears correctly before moving on. Now scroll down to the Action section. Search for Salesforce in the Action app search bar. Select Salesforce and then choose the action event, such as Create Record. Click Continue. Connect your Salesforce account by clicking Sign into Salesforce. Authorize Zapier to access your Salesforce account. Once connected, click Continue. Now, set up the Salesforce action by mapping the fields from your Trigger app to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. For example, match the contact name, email address, and phone number. After you have completed the mapping, click Continue. Test the action to ensure that everything works as expected. Once the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation screen. Finally, give your Zap a name and switch the toggle to turn it on. You have successfully set up a Zap to transfer contacts into Salesforce using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.